Managing multiple assets across different locations is complex, but with AI, it's easier than ever. Enter RMEYE, the world's first AI-driven asset performance management system where you achieve asset excellence with AI-powered analytics. RMEYE, with AI at its core, offers centralized monitoring, predictive analytics, actionable insights, automated alerts, seamless integration, and scalability, making your operations smarter, safer, and more efficient. AI in RMEYE transforms APM by enabling real-time, data-driven condition monitoring across multiple sites and assets, helping industries achieve higher reliability, lower costs, and greater operational efficiency. Whether it's real-time monitoring of critical parameters, predictive maintenance scheduling, or trend analysis, RMEYE offers a robust set of functionalities to meet the evolving demands of modern industries. Let artificial intelligence revolutionize the way electrical assets are maintained.